Hi, in this video we are going to learn about bookmarks in Power BI. So let's jump on to our presentation. So what are bookmarks? With bookmarks in Power BI desktop, you capture the currently configured view of a report page, including filtering, and the state of visuals. So basically it says that in case if you are selecting a specific country and in a report, and you want to maintain that in a bookmark, so that if you continue multiple selections and you want to go back to that view, you can do that through bookmarks. Or say you want to switch between line chart and a bar chart at the same place. For that also you can use bookmarks. You can also create a collection of bookmarks, arrange them in order you want, and later step through each bookmarks in a presentation. So that gives you kind of a story telling session using your reports. So you can group bookmarks together in a Power BI report. Let's quickly create a simple bookmark in our demo. So for that we'll just open Power BI desktop, and in Power BI desktop I have already created a line chart and a bar chart. So I have named it as line. The title is line. Let's change the title for this chart as bar, so that it will be easy for me to recognize. Now I have added two buttons. So on click of bar, I want this bar chart to be shown. On click of line, I want this line to be shown. So for that, let's first overlap, and we'll go to view, and we'll enable bookmarks, and then we'll enable selection. So here we can see we have four elements here, two buttons, and then two charts. So what we'll do, on bar we want in action that the bar chart to be enabled. So for that, what we'll do, we'll add a bookmark, and let's name this bookmark as bar. And what we'll do, when we are using bar, at that time we want the bar to be enabled, or bar to be visible, and line to be hidden. So this kind of view we want. And what we'll do, we'll quickly click here, and we'll click on update. So once we click on update, this bar keeps this view. Now what we'll do, we'll add another bookmark, and we'll name this bookmark as line. And in line, we'll update a different view where we'll disable this bar, and we'll make line as visible, and we'll update the line bookmarks. So these two bookmarks maintains these states. Now quickly view if our bookmarks are showing properly. So let's see, on bar bookmark we can see bar chart, on line bookmark we can see line chart. Now we want to add action with these buttons. So on click of this button, we want to see bar. So what we'll have to do, we'll select this bar, and we'll go to action here. We'll select type as bookmark, and in the bookmark, since we are clicking on the bar button, so let's select the bar bookmark. So whatever view associated with bar will be shown here. Similarly for line, we'll click on line, and then we'll again go to the action, and we'll select line here. Now what we'll do, we'll save this report, and we'll publish this report, and we'll see how it works. So after publishing the report, we'll quickly go to the powerbi.com and view how our report looks like. So let's quickly go there. So you can see the initial view is line. Let's click on bar, and you can see bar is being displayed. Once you click on line, your line chart is displayed. This is how you can use bookmarks. Thank you for watching my channel.